Hello there. Welcome to Learn in 10 Minutes. My name is Joseph and I'll be your teacher today. In the previous video, we looked at what Microsoft Office Word 2016 is. We looked at the features in Microsoft Office Word 2016. And we looked at the ribbon and the tabs under each ribbon in the Microsoft Office Word 2016. In this video, we'll look at the File tab. We'll look at the Tell Me What You Want to Do or Tell Me Assistant. And then we'll look at the Quick Access toolbar, also located in the Microsoft Office Word 2016. How these work and how they can improve our everyday life working with the Microsoft Office Word 2016. Hope you're ready. Let's go. The File tab can be located on the far left corner of the screen. When you click the File tab, it brings you to this area of the screen where we have the menu in the File tab, and we have information regarding the document we have, such as how to protect the document or how we can inspect the document, and even how we can manage the documents. On the far right corner of the screen, we have the properties of the current document. It gives us the size of the document if we've saved it, the pages, the number of pages we have in the document, the number of words we've typed in the document, the total time we have spent in this document, the title of the document, tags if we have associated any, the comments if we have added any, then other related dates such as the last date modified, the date it was created, the date it was printed, related people if we've shared the document with somebody else or somebody else is helping us work on the document, and then the last modified by, which we call it tell us who last worked on the document. Still on the upper right corner of the screen, we have our login account detail, and then our feedback emojis here to help Microsoft know what they are doing right or what they are doing wrong. So now let's go on to the menu. On the far left side of the screen, we have the Info tab. That is what we are seeing here currently. The Info menu has been selected, and the Info menu was the details we just talked about not so long ago. The Info menu have these aspects which is talking about the document. Then we have the New tab. We can create a new document right from Microsoft Office Word. Once we click the New tab, it will take us to the Templates area where we can search for new templates, where we can select already existing templates here and then use them to work on our documents. It varies from invitation cards to curriculum vitae to business proposals to resumes to letters and so on and so forth. Then we have the Open option, which would give us the option to open any existing document either from the cloud, that is our OneDrive, or the PC, or in other places we can add other cloud services where we can open from there. The Browse option will take us to anywhere on this PC so we can have access to the files we want to open from there. The Recover Unused Documents here area here will help us find any document we have been working on previously. If it were lost or not, we'll find it here, then we can use it. Then we have the Save option, which will allow us to save a file for the very first time or continuously, and then the Save As option, which will allow us to save a file in a different file name or the first time as well. We can equally save a file as PDF. We can print a file from here where we can set all the attributes to the document we want to set, the size of the paper, if you want the printing to be collated or uncollated, if you want to print on one side or multiple sides, if you want to print all the pages or selected pages, we can do all that here and then we can print. Then we have the Share, which can allow us to share the documents we are working on to a number of people also. We can equally export the document into any of the other various file formats like Adobe PDF, and then we can create an XPS document, which is more like Microsoft's own PDF software, and then we can change the file type here. We can equally press this to close the current document we are working on, which is document 1, and then we can come to account to see our account details, the products. We have a few customizations here, and then the product information over there. Then we have the options tab here, which gives us to a bunch of options such as these, which can help us work on the Office suite very well. So we have the options menu here and the various options under the menus. Okay, so that's just an overview of the file tab. We'll go into detail as time goes on, as we continue to use Microsoft Word, and then we'll show us how we can use each and every one of these features to our advantage. Okay, that said, let's come to the Tell Me Assistant. The Tell Me What You Want to Do Assistant is Microsoft's new innovation in the Office platform, which helps us get any information we want to get with just a click of a button. It doesn't just show you what to do or how to do it, it actually does it for you. So for example, if you want to create a table, when you just type create table, it doesn't just tell you where to find a place to create table, but actually gives you the option to create the table instantly right from the Tell Me What You Want to Do assistant. You want to add a chart, just type chart. It doesn't just show you where you find the chart under the insert menu, but it actually gives you the opportunity to create a chart right from here. The Tell Me Assistant is very useful if you're new to Microsoft Office, or even if you're an expert in using Microsoft Office suite, especially the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and all the others. It helps you get quick access to the data you want to use and how you want to go about it. All you just need to do is click, type, and tell it what you want to do, and it will help you with that. You can equally type how to print a document. It will show you exactly how to go about it. I want to talk about the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is a very nice innovation which has existed in the Microsoft Office suite for a couple of generations now. It gives shortcuts to the various elements you want to use on a daily basis. So you can add various elements like undo, you can add the save button, you can even add new documents or redo. You can add stuff like touch or mouse mode if your device is a touch screen. Then you can equally customize. You can, so for this purpose, when we click this drop down arrow here, we have Customize Quick Access Toolbar, under which we have the new open, save. We can send an email, we can add a quick print, we can add print preview and print, which I normally want to put there. Like we can add the spell and grammar check, we can add undo and redo button, which is there by default, or draw table, which you can also add. Then you can add more commands, and then you can equally show this below the ribbon. When I just click this, it will just appear below the ribbon here instead of up there. You can equally come back here and show above ribbon, and it will go up there. The customization feature gives us the opportunity to customize and have a lot of these commands we see here in our Quick Access Toolbar. In the next video, we'll look at how we can customize a Quick Access Toolbar to suit our very needs, so that we can be more productive with the Microsoft Office suite. Then we'll look at how to create a new document and how to work with it effectively. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We really like to hear from you. And thank you very much once again. See you in the next video. Bye.